when a story broke out about SABC, you don't know what to believe. You know, you don't know. Are these people trying to destroy him? Are these people telling lies? Are these people telling the truth? So that's the problem about SABC, which we say. I guess there's a big record label or a band that wants Java's signature. That is why they are pushing those narratives, those lies. Come on. They want to sense Java, and Java is saying no. And I guess what the fuck SABC is doing? Like SABC wants to make the enemy happy. Like bro, why even if he doesn't wanna make the enemy happy, like bro, why do you wanna put your kids through those type of things, bro? Like if SABC even did that thing of stealing those cars, doing all those things. I'm happy that Liverpool is out. Yeah, I'm so happy that Liverpool is out. I'm happy that Liverpool is out. Yeah. I don't know, we've been losing the UFL. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy BK of Sunny Africa. You know what it is. We are back with another bang. Yo, I guess we won't even start anyway, bro. Like, you just have to start by this seat of Capsa and Digimon Producer. So, I guess I don't know what's happening, bro. What's happening in those groups? Because of last week it was Mzarumba pitch. This week is Digimon Producer. Like, so first of all, we just have to say what is going on between Capsa the Small and Digimon Producer. Because of they started by following and following each other, and after that, Capsa the Small just posted that being too nice to somebody is brings a lot of disrespect. I don't know why is he even saying that. I guess I guess it's because of digital person. Maybe they didn't expect. Maybe but I guess he expect that he will become big. The way Kapsa is big, but I don't think he expected that Kapsa Utoba Muran and Andrina big guy. That is why maybe you know this conspiracy being only in Pavana. But I don't think that's Junga was Kuba. Maybe there was a song maybe somewhere he wanted with Kabza to produce or something which he did not do. So that is why maybe which Kubana because it can so that unexpected. Like usually we didn't expect it would mean there will be this type of beef in Kubana which can even lead to Kabza the Small and Dito unfollowing each other. Also, but I think those guys are cool. Those guys are big bodies. Woman. But if now they are unfollowing each other, we don't know why, bro. Because of they produce hit songs when they are together. So why literally now they can even start to do things like this? Like the beach niche could be several. Srezima places kusika nekune banyako uri mwana mwete zvawo. Runeva Sebastian totally we unfollow each other, we don't want to talk each other. It's beef like if it's on like that. I guess but my worry is that I guess Dima process seeing the way that Captain the Small is doing, the way that he's evolving. Because I guess he thought it would be like these other producers that he's doing. I guess it is that Captain the Small had the mindset, big mindset of doing his own things. You know, yes, I understand you put me on, but I'm gonna do my own thing, which is my own things. I'm gonna have my own label which is piano up. I'll style my own artists, which are your youngster, and you know those type of artists which are under like piano up. And right now, piano up is even have a club. So I guess he didn't expect it will the Kabza brand will grow to that extent that it is now. And I guess just that is the hard work of Kabza is not paying off. That is why we're seeing him like this, you know. So I guess this was a demand of us most expect to talk about the demand. That is why maybe Naimune Atina Fila which this guy is starting to become too big. Even Nakanogo to more, but right to me, that is why is that we don't know the external issue. But then there is no common on this because of this album that is about to come out. I guess maybe there were songs that maybe someone comes over because maybe a producer wanted to put those songs on the album. Kwa the album in the yeah, to look at DJ Mapusa. I guess there were songs in the comes over so maybe DJ Mapusa wanted to put those albums in the album and comes maybe didn't like the idea or maybe wanted even more percentage when it comes to those songs and then maybe DJ Mapusa didn't like them. So I guess maybe this one also maybe some of go later to the split up with the Wakwana. Listen to the rumble, man. When the money started coming in, yo, it becomes bad for the blues, you know. So la I've been asking them about pages go both and go. I guess this group isn't as also as this isn't they are not even splitting up. I guess you're not black motion. You're it's black diamond. I guess that the ones who are especially that since day one they are literally doing their own thing. I guess many people, you know why I guess these groups, especially this school split on it, it's because of Niawana somewhere somehow. Mwachita's track here where T Mwachita. It's like when it comes to Amarot is split up is because of sometimes one were going to do their songs alone without the other one. I guess in the only time they are from one and Mwachita track woman now mwani wanatanga ndondo asikuzitive zvokutenderera track yavaiti mwe asi weyo katrack kayo but literally we are a brand of men amarot but literally sometimes we are releasing songs where the other one is not involved in those songs when we are doing our individual songs so I guess the one zuru that ya mimara hai usually the Scorpion Kings they have to prepare to get the pro like I don't know I guess people like you those Cambo have to intervene because I don't know like tries to cry in the yanga to it so especially which watching to like it's go to scan up on at of yeah we are unfollowing each other we are no longer talking to each other if it's war it or then we will do it like that if you want me not talking to you then I won't talk to you then it is what it is but we will see worry is that in Diliman Purisa, you will have songs with other people. It's not like you will be depending on him. But just that I guess for the classic songs, those songs who the songs that will last, you will never have them because of there's no caps because of no caps that do all those classic songs, you know. So just that are they tell them to I mean are these original regarding Chikobaris and the chippy one. Are these original regarding Chikobaris and the chippy one? Usually we don't know which song, what is the main reason for the fall of DJ Mampresa and Kabza this month. We don't know the fall. Well, we don't know what is the fall off of between DJ Mampresa and Kabza this month. We don't. We can say the follow up came from maybe songs. Maybe someone wanted a song. Maybe DJ Mampresa wanted to put Kabza on a song. Maybe Kabza was not liking the idea, or maybe he wanted more money, or maybe more percentage. You know, unazifekta nje zine zingaba zolida kha zisplit ya between DJ Maphorisa and Kabza De Small or maybe more time I guess maybe money or maybe even the way that he's seeing or Kabza or how is he growing on. I believe sometimes jealousy can came between people go on. Ah, because yo, this guy is growing too much. That is why and now I choose one right now. No. I will have to eliminate him from the game. But I don't think even if he can try to eliminate him, he can eliminate him because of already Captain Muno he has a coffee. Come on coffee in India. So I don't know. What are those of the way I mean? One. This is one rule already, I mean. Engineers are only the follow from one. Too many things. Not so engineers are only the higher. And then amara takaona zvo zvotoita me just that we have just have to tosa zuri tangwa nechinhu chine chingaita maybe just that both they don't do interviews even though they are doing interviews is those type of interviews nyana so zine baba kuziita zine asi njengokuona zistonga scripted interviews so razviroba deep inside uri umuthu atidousa ziquestion zasona ngokuona then vafisira kukudzisi uri yo menende ngokuona so I don't know why zitokusa ziita yana anotanga zitokusa zovaona but I guess the interview got out there ive on maybe we don't know maybe time we may Kabza will just have the interview maybe we'll talk about many stuff so I just have to see what they tell me but yo and the other story bro and I guess people were saying Uri Java maybe yes now we believed Uri Lady Zamo was talking the truth about Java now what I feel about those type of things when it comes to Japan I guess there's a big record label or a band that wants Java's signature. That is why they are pushing those narratives, those lies. Go on. They want to sense Java, and Java is saying no. And I guess it's a big band or a big record label that wants Java signature. That is why there's that narrative that is being pushed. Go on. And I guess the feminists, I guess they were happy when that thing came out. I guess they were happy. Yeah, we need people like you, Amanda Blake, who they will go and put up statement like saying, yeah, what you are saying, people, is wrong, and which usually it was wrong, bro. Like people that are starting to see that yo, these guys have started to win, is started to become this big brand, can do your live, can do this type of things, But what they did then, they were trying to do this Java date then. No. Whoever did that thing then, this time I was trying to do Java date. And my thing is that whoever did that thing is a band or a record label which is big, which wants a Java signature. Because there's no way that that narrative can be just out there. And to show that it was something big, it was put on a big outlets first. One. Or maybe even ambitious entertainment, maybe, because of they didn't expect they would become those type big, just at least people put all those type of things outside would species go to a big because of that's become because of those type of lights can't just become that big like that. No. Just to be shown that there's someone to be out behind it. One. I guess even Lady Damo was there, but now I guess she was like, yeah. I used to tell them that he did this, he did this to me. And she was happy, I guess, when those that all broke out. And she was very happy. Oh man, I guess she was fucking happy, yeah. Right now, who was telling the lies? No one. So we just have to say we'll do it. But I guess his name now, right now, is clean. Because of, she came out and said, yeah, nah, whatever people are saying about him, or whatever those lies are, or whoever said those things, it was not me. I guess Amanda Black did a good thing when it comes to that thing. Yeah. Because of you, bro, they were gonna destroy it. Just imagine, bro. Even brands, bro, like they were gonna go far and say, oh, just because, and then just imagine brands going that like that because of lies, only lies, bro. Like when you just know you didn't do those type of things, you didn't do it, but you just imagine you find out, oh, bro, lies are being spread about me, lies, and you know that whatever they're saying is lies. Just imagine, and they didn't they were trying to do him to them. Then they were trying to do him to them. I can see when they say they were trying to do someone to them this Java, they were trying to do him in such a way that, and it was well planned, and it was well planned that it will be said in the morning, like literally, because of, I can't say it was said in the morning because of, if it was said in the morning, I was gonna cover it in my last episode, so I couldn't cover it in my last episode. It was around 11 because of when I finished recording around 12. When I go back to the socials, I saw it trending. I'm like, what? Why didn't I? Because I was gonna speak it in the last episode, but I couldn't speak it in the last episode because of after recording. That's when I saw it. All yo, bro, this type of thing that has been happening. I'm like, what? How come? But then later on, she came and they say, nah, this thing that he's saying is true, is false, which is good. So I guess he did right. Bro, like, and the other thing that I wanted to talk about, like, what the fuck SABCD is doing? Like, SABCD wants to make the enemy happy. Like, bro, why? Even if he doesn't wanna make the enemy happy, like, bro, why do you wanna why do you wanna put your kids through those type of things, bro? Like if SABC even did that thing of stealing those cars, doing all those things, why, bro? If you did it, I guess that it's proper for you, bro. Like literally, why you did it? If it's true, you know, like for real, for real. If you did that thing, I guess that I guess it's all. And right now, he's not just fighting with someone. I guess right now he's fighting even with the big companies like you would buy a cars, events. But I don't understand this mindset as ABC. Like, but maybe it's just that we don't know the true story about those things. You don't know what happened, like literally chachaitisa nazvasuri ane munasira kuzviita ndichipi chichamuitisa ona mara literally if ozviita zvazvo SABC like it's dumb then because of the evidence is pretty clear. You sold those cars and you sold them in Facebook. Here's that nine zvinhu zvasowa zvine zvava zvikuorchestratiwa zvine like recently zvanga zvitoplaniwa ne I don't believe it. Even that guy inako ambore SABC sold me cars or literally I'm not believing. I'm not buying the story, bro. Like literally nah. I'm not buying it. Nah. People just want to. Yes, we can say SABC will do bad things, bro. Like, yes, you understand. It's just that even him, just that if the problem is that when it comes to SABC, there's many good things that he has done, and there are many bad things that he has done. So when a story broke out about SABC, you don't know what to believe. You don't know. Are these people trying to destroy him? Are these people telling lies? Are these people telling the truth? So that's the problem about SLBC situation. It's even like when they say if this man is dead, you don't know what to believe. Did he fake it? Did he not? Okay, cool. It's it. So dear me, we know it's the truth. He used to beat her up, né? But they made a case. Did he kill her? Did he kill her? Did he not? You don't know what to believe. Then now this thing of stolen cars, you don't know what to believe. Did he steal cars and sell them? Did he? So when it comes to the SABC situation, you don't know what to believe. You don't know what not to believe. Because of zwizvo azvitangani zvazvotapekana mini masipesa zvoro kutoita mini mwana. So we don't know what to believe right now. Like when it comes to the SABC situation, we don't know. I don't know what to believe because there are many things like zvazvikuita SABC mwana. Like that man, I don't know, bro. Like that man cares enough. And chiboy chisoko zacho like nana asi chosokoyo je SABC chiwadova kutova kubhara nditho trailer iphi SABC iphi dabani aye just that when they get him SABC when they get him just that SABC ndula muthu ene zvidokonzora mini ajene mara if SABC vamujenisa apfariwa just know asi muthu ane kudopiwa minguva midoko ni muthu ane kudopiwa like long years kuvana kazvitaka SABC because of chiboy nati faces SABC I no longer understand it and you don't know who to believe what not to believe when it comes to SABC na zviro zvinhu zvinongazvibelieve havana zviro zvinhu zvinongasizvibelieve when it comes to SABC komana ukumubona muthu uri wakuposta dzikoloi dziki unadzo mini ukuzviposta izvo zvithu zvimwe ukudzirenga ukudziposta usumbedza uri mini ukurenga goloi unadzibva kuti zina wakusumbedza akuzviita izvo zvithu komana mari literally zvichipedza udopedza da zvimwe zvithu komana mari literally zvichida ukodopedza ukodza chimwe chitori after echo chitori komana chine rekovoti uri mini SABC revochiita but chichipera icho chitori kuwani kupi mini zigonizo oziita pawebhayika just that nenera kuti just that arisokubhilivha zvimwe zvimwe mbendero ratore ripe muthu auzviamba zviite because of there's always this two side of the story. You can't just believe that guy is now kuzviamba SABC yokuzviita komana you can't just believe rela kuti zvine kuzviamba zvingadhiva zvinhu mazvipi zvadiva zvingo komana arizivi chitori chaSABC uri ane mune SABC achi udohamba ari mini komana and the problem is that munhu udhilana that's facts audhili ngori dhimani udova kufinisana kare ane yes you can go and open the case but most eyo case ichipresentwa panda hajaji itodiva icase ine yatofarira ine yangakona kujenisa SABC rekuzichere mwana muna zvimwe zvinhu zvinji zvine just have to consider when it comes to the situation dzaSABC mwana so are they muna SABC ola muna hafi mutazi yavo ndori hafi komana SABC rekutazi yavo ndori hafi komana is a hustle. The problem is that SABC is a hustler. That's the problem. not yet there. Is that, and I met TWT. Like literally, we don't. I happen to have windows. I like just windows cheap and that mean. If I meet TWT, I meet TWT. It's a slogan. So which is are these all the time you guys see man? Hey, material is a bit of money, and the self mara. My thing is that SABC, why you put your kids in that type of situation again and again and again and again? Woman, why? SABC, why did she wear one avanuka situation here so every time, every time? Like you just want to help them, or maybe we just well don't know. Never want to talk when you go. Meaning to because of this thing of SABC, associates to I bet we have to think. Meaning SABC, there was a point in time where Botidiera threatened him like big time that he was gonna deal with him, and he said he will deal with him in such a way that Kongwan. So even as yesterday, Botidiera was youngest as speaker back then. Just have to put in mind, meaning Abeni Buttigieg, we're not just not talking about any man, bro. Like we're talking about the goons, people who run vent. No one. So we don't know. So SBC and assembly SBC wokanda Buttigieg. Is now to banja wakanda. Come on. I'm best about to banj. Come on. So are the come on. So now so lots of Buttigieg could be leading to this type of things. So SBC wabakazo. So Buttigieg that Kayla West Nicole wabako jambo they will deal with him. As long as not to umbolo maybe in the zone is where we will deal with him. Maybe this way in his society is the way of him dealing with him. Nkungwana, ndizina ratozo umbolo. Abena, little things called case SBC. So I don't know, bro. Like, we don't get to make SBC, but we just have to be hopeful. Or maybe it's just that the history of Rakakar. Woman. The history of Rakakar. And I guess because there's of one of us which I don't know. Because of one of our school. So, allowed to come into one of us school, one of our school. I don't know where come with me out. Woman, we don't know. Come on. That is the problem. Because kids they say BC. Ndoza ndi SABC kunaye ukandisa bathu ndima athu vanji blind ndokandisa bathu zvina nosi zvinji zvine could be leading to these things no one and ndibona maruzoro kuita SABC kesi kadeva panda fikisi fikisi na Monday yes ango asingobechaseka ndoseka natsabhini ungaona mundira zachizotamba games chitova chisikonyaka kwisi yachichapanda yamendera ngana abe vatotanya mna nganozikutolika izvizvo or maybe to put a hold on the murder case ngana so hazvitozotangana literally zotangana nandira imwe ine I don't know like the SABC things na those zvifana zvinozvikuita nge-USA kazi lawsuit those lawsuits that are just becoming like if you can check those type of lawsuits that are happening there in the US like just check those lawsuits where they are going around the hip hop center and only to the black people. Woman, always wrong offended by black people will tell me why piece of art yes, we understand the Diddy situation. Yes, Diddy, yes. Diddy and it's not people just they are not understanding that type of the Diddy. It's not like Diddy is arrested for maybe doing a bad thing. For maybe for as for people are not understanding why is Diddy in jail. People are thinking Diddy is in jail for fucking all those people. No, Diddy is not in jail for that. Diddy is in jail for beating up Casey, for is beating up Casey, and for dragging for bombing the car of I forgot his name, that guy. And I guess it's yeah, I guess it's beating up Casey, it's the abuse of Casey and the bombing of the car. And even do it Casey, I just was name ourselves that. Then there was another indictment here. Yeah, I think it was on Monday or Sunday. Yeah, yeah, did you wait a minute? He was fighting this girl, what. Allegedly, the woman told me Kwambori doesn't like Didi because of the things that Didi made her Tupac, what. And Didi didn't like that thing. So him and Bruce Lee and OBJ were the one who was fighting him and doing all those type of things. But just imagine all the lawsuits Ziko Didi. If muntu iwe okhakhela like you see, why you file a lawsuit, why you don't go to the court of law, why you fight a lawsuit, why you going to a civil case where you just want money. It seems like there are people just doing those type of thing, we know that it is, we know that it is freaky, yes, we understand that. But if someone violated you, ne, why don't you just go to the court of law and wanted that person to go to jail, why? Why you want money? Why? So I don't. That's bullshit. Come on. This is what against bullshit. This is you can see that people just want to destroy people. Now they're saying Bruce Lee was doing this type of thing. Even if we was doing it, why don't you go to the court of law and say, I want this person to go to jail, rather than what are you there? Those people are saying, like, yo, this guy did this, so I want money. And the problem is that always is the same lawyer who's filing this lawsuit, is the same lawyer, is the same lawyer, all those type of things, is the same lawyer, is the same lawyer, is the same lawyer, is the same lawyer. What? So I don't know. And the problem is that it's a RICO case, but it's a RICO with only one person. And we all know what type of why this RICO you did. I mean, RICO is a law that is designed to take down the mafia bosses on a group of enterprise, which enterprise will to thrive in those type of business. But here it's only one person. One. So we don't know. Those type of I don't know, bro. Like it seems like people who just want to destroy people. Come on. Especially in the hip hop space. Come on. If if someone hates you, why don't you just go to the court of law and open a case against him? Come on. So we don't know the time. Come on. It's like if I could in a case that like now is then always quit and lawsuit. Why? What if someone too always out to over a case to send that person in jail? You see, it's like the same thing with Tory Lanez and Megan Thee Stallion. Even though I still believe that Megan Thee Stallion was shot by, but why if she was not saying, yeah, he shot me, he did this to this, he did this to me, did this to me, then he was not gonna open that case. What he was gonna do, he was gonna say, yo, this guy did this to me, this to me, but I want a lawsuit. He shot me. It's a lawsuit. Woman, why? No, you open a case, and if your case ya kundiwa ne, ndono letu zvinonzora zvishawana. Come on, rather than utwa nokurumidza ndomubvera muntu dzi lawsuit zvinji zvinenge zvasikuita. Hapana how many lawsuit have been opened? Like listen, this lawsuit ungana zvinezikuvuliwa. Dzine kuzibona. Like it's changed the case chair. Yeah, but since last year, how many lawsuits? Like more than 50 lawsuits have been open. 50 is even yeah, like 100. But also over the lawsuit, you this and this and this and this. This lawsuit and this and this and this. I don't think that he will be found guilty. If he's found guilty, he will be found guilty about Casey. I don't know if Casey is even cooperating. I don't know. I don't know if she's even cooperating. But we'll just see. But that's good. That's good. But what would know send out to say? I would know send out to say. I don't understand this type of thing. Oh, and our guy, the king of Van Bribe, is about to drop a game. Means the feel for the people. This Easter is gonna be out. Come on. for the people it's gonna be out this sister. I guess yeah, maybe time with the opportunity as well. They the one is already the way referral to be we hopefully midfield doesn't disappoint us. Come on, just hopefully it doesn't disappoint us. We hopefully you don't disappoint us midfield. Come on, because we don't wanna be disappointed. For real, for real. You don't have to disappoint us. You just have to release like a bang, like we told that big song in the rather you one. So the ones who do visit Peter, but I remember that yeah, in Cosmos we could visit yeah, we could make music video, yeah, push on this can hey yo, bro, and they want to music video, do one electric, I electric is music the good tea. Any number of just we know that music arrive, but I guess nine electric the way got ramp up the line, blend. I guess time we do tea and I guess I guess it's a tea and I. But just the music, it doesn't disappoint. You know that to use a pay a pen, come on. But sometimes the one any album. I just that I don't know the Visa. I guess do you tell Visa before or after Makazi? Because of Makazi is about to release an album. No one. So means Ophiel has to have a time when it comes to releasing his album, ECP, because of Makazi is about to release. No one. So and we all know Miss Makazi has released a Woody. So I guess he has to find a better date in other words. But I guess he has to release it before Makazi. Or he has to release it after. But Rafa initially he released before Makazi. When Makazi released, the attention is going to go to Makazi. He released after Makazi. The attention will be still. But I guess he has to release after Makazi, not before Makazi. Because of if he released before Makazi, the attention don't think will to Makazi. Then the Rafa get album. Utoto the coffins. But maybe after the time, maybe Umatama is the way she was shown. Yes, that it will depend on Makazi even on the album did she have been how many hits one because of the one and it one. There's a kind of look is an 15 April. Because Zanike. I guess what we the same date na album Mila ya Rikirki. Kuman. And also one album you ya Nadia Nagai. And also well spoon do you know drop this week. It's not what you know drop. So do zero the day. But I don't even think that. But I need the album and then I don't think it's to be just a pretty album in the though. You want to maybe that chaos literally the way go D and I drain like would young come on. I not think on the album in the D young one. I just have to sort the one to do the way album and then I got one. We'll see. Will it be a bang or will it be a flop? Because I guess this is her first project outside the family tree. I guess since Achibaka family tree, she hasn't dropped a new project. She has dropped a new project since she left family tree. Since I guess since she after the family tree, I want to project she have a drop. Come on. So the one is all to the time. Come on. And I guess. I guess now she will have it. Man, I guess she will have it. So the ones wrote it tell me, but I don't believe. Yes, that maybe it will be it. It will be it. It will be a big album. Man. Maybe the device the album is another game. Man, but as a but we'll see will she have it now. Come on, now we'll see will she have it now because you can just say she will have it, but now I eat you don't need to one because of it here corner. Where your mind is controlled. But the one is already telling me that every time I do this over eat here one. I don't think it over eat here any other part. And then I guess I won't talk about the budget speech because of I should fish go very much money at two. So I will just have to still what will happen. I guess is the text. We don't know will the text be increased or the text will not be increased. I guess but when you come zoom in, it's either they reduce the 350 or the text will be increased. One. I guess it's those type of things. One. We don't know. But I just hopefully they don't increase the tax. Because of people who are going to suffer if the tax is increasing, it's us, especially us, they are poor people. They don't know how to suffer when it comes to the tax. They don't know how to suffer when it comes to tax. Now what when I listen guy, you do petrol to transport those type of foods. Fish oil is that's what those would do. So the ones who do it, I mean. But they have to many. But I guess when it comes to tax, I don't think they will increase it. Because of they see well, but I hope tax increase you. Also, them there, they won't even suffer. Even though the tax is increased, they won't even no feel once they was feel. Cabo so yeah, it's another money you increase wow. Because but the job at those time, when the job was it also ubana mention about that kwambori kezo the taxes dziko vakwa plan because by the job at vava kuchikuto tshelede zwinzhi ngona so I don't think that but you never what no but people who takes the increase of taxes into the kwama is us especially the black people ngona ndibona vene ndo vari kuvavaisa kungwana because tshelede ine muthu havana ndi ṱhukhu u khou dovha u tou uri eyo tshelede yo khou pfhi zwithu dzi khou gonya ni ngo to zwi pfha na hu tshi khou ambiwa upfhi tax i khou gonya no ṅwana just imagine u khou ambiwa upfhi tax yo gonya u to zwi vhona na how come ṅwana how come u ḓo vha people who are gonna suffer people who work as a security guards people who are cleaners people who work as your Shoprites, people who work at the farms, people who they do what? People who are, those people who are helpers, people who work those average works. The one what are those sufferers, the drivers, maybe drivers of buses, no taxis, vona vhathu vha no kho ḓo tambulesa nga ṅwana havha vhaṅwe vho shuma miṅwe mishumo hai ṅwana your teachers your policemen ndi vhona vhathu vhane vha ḓo vha khou tambula ine tshelede ine ya ḓo i khou tou vha tambudza not havha vhaṅwe they won't even feel it ṅwana havha vhane vha vha na tshelede they won't even feel it ṅwana there was a terrific accident of a bus accident I guess the number is up now. So I guess it happens when there are something when you are going to OR Tambo. So hey bro, that accident was horrific. That bus killed people were injured. I don't know. And also in event when my bus now lose, solo wow. I guess the bad go so bad, the price go I guess the news was created man. And the thing is goloi khulwane ndi wana dzi brake dzi tshi hana u fasa mini so I guess ndi zwiṅwe zwine zwa vha zwi khou itisa uri zwithu zwa so zwi itee ngombani zwi fhedzisela zwi khou vha na dzi incident nnzhi dzi fhedzisela dzi khou vha hone ṅwana I guess ndi zwone zwithu zwine zwa zwi khou itisa ṅwana zwine zwa khou itisa dzi accident dzinoni uri dzi vhe hone because of that bus bro like literally nga si tou wa so mamunna lava munhu a peni vha ḽo ṱuwisa vhathu vhanzhi if you are saying even if it's two people vhathu vhanzhi if it's 15 more than 20 just imagine bro ṅwana kha vhathu more than 20 wo itea mini kha ṅwana vho vhathu vhanzhi like ndo zwi vhona hafhanoni nga ri have dzi ḓo vhuya nyana that shit is crazy bro nḓilani hafhanoni you can say you drive slow you find someone who's driving drunk faster and people are driving drunk did you see that who's that guy Menir Managa from Steam Sam is arrested from drinking and driving just a public figure like him bro just imagine arrested from drinking and driving that's disgusting bro like just so that people who are public figure are not responsible. So I read the guy. arrested for drinking and driving. Like drinking and driving, bro. Like drinking and driving. I corner, bro. Nah, behave, bro. Like what is the problem? Like literally, what is the problem with you? How come? You know, like how come you're doing it? Sure. I'm like, for real, for real. I didn't understand what that guy did. Sure. I'm like, okay, maybe it is. And the one thing that I also ask myself, like, why, like, South Africa keep on trying to beg, like, Elon Musk to do business with South Africa? Like, bro, that guy, if he doesn't want to do business in South Africa, bro, just let him go. Like, for real, for real. Just let Elon Musk go. Because we all see that Elon Musk would, like, doesn't, it seems like he doesn't care about South Africa. So if he doesn't want to do business with South Africa, then let him go. Why you keep, you know, why? Just he should be just let him go. Eh? If we want to do these things in the US, let him do it there. You know, other people, other billionaires, they import their countries. Look, those are the Arab people. They are doing this in the Abu Dhabi there. You know, but him, even because of his white, he just want to do things there in the US. You know, it's literally wrong, 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 wrong. Like we haven't seen even anything. There's not no even like a SpaceX branch here in South Africa. There's not even a Tesla branch here in South Africa. But yet again, we're still leave him. If he doesn't want to, we must leave him. He'll do his things there. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Actually, he doesn't wanna have business with us. We just have to leave him. We'll do his there. That's it. I must not be begging him like, yo, come and do business with us. No. And one thing I'm seeing is that Donald Trump is the puppet of Elon Musk. If you can just see, that is it. He's the puppet of Elon Musk. If you can see it, I guess we don't know. But man, but if you're a puppet, you're a puppet. You know. This guy is a puppet, bro. I guess everything he does now, we have to go and first start and talk to the big boss. But I wonder after when Donald Trump is out of the presidency, how will Elon Musk maneuver when it comes to the USA? Because it's not like Donald Trump will be the president forever. Come on. If and then if the other political party won and the other one, that's the one of Kamala Harris, what will happen? Come on. Is that the politics shit? It's a dirty game, bro. Like it's a it's a win. I don't know what can I say. It's like the one with power right now. We all have his back. Once the power is gone, we no longer have your back. That's how it works, bro. If you can check, that's how it works. Ngandele nizochimbula ngayo uma ayikandele nizokuchimbula ngayo just if you don't have power you are not with us. If you have power we are with you. And I guess even money. Hola. Hola. Fechado. Já. Fica da camarão, só. Já, não precisa de Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Oh, look at that, mommy. Ah, shit. Whatever I was telling about the armor, then I guess the going to be. And another one, this prefix is about to drop. It's about to drop what prefix? It's about to drop, I think it's a song with a crosswave. It's with crosswave in who? Yeah. I guess prefix is trying to come back. It's just the prefix. I guess music is not his first priority. That is why. Human. That is why he doesn't even take it like, yeah. I will be it will be like the way that you want to, That's why I just go just track but it doesn't consider it to be a big thing to him. But I guess talking about this phone and music, who thought about holiday and the push. And then another track is let's go continue to drop. It's like man is dropping with empty. Yo, bro. Empty, I guess yeah. That guy, I guess yeah. The most. I guess people are seeing that to have a track. Empty is our Drake here in South Africa. He's that guy who, if you want a hit, you go to him. Empty is our Drake here in South Africa. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and I know people say, he can't be our Drake, but it's our Drake here in South Africa. MT is our Drake here in South Africa. If you can check. If you need a hit, you go to him. Come on. And he's been doing those things way back. Come on. And the car was it. And that was Thomas Ray. Come on. Yeah, but he's been doing it. So I don't know if they tell me, Mara, the people on the mean, Mara, is our Drake here in South Africa MT. So, and abasanze ukuthi bafunani bengimegobengiku that's it 1 million in 5 days. Come on. So ndizimwe zwithu zvokurana in 5 days ndaunoita 5 million. That's we're talking about YouTube only. We're not talking about Apple Music where we're talking about YouTube, because in Apple Music I guess it's number 2 or number 3 that song. So just imagine there. Come on. But this side is Kaya YouTube in number 1. Trending number 1. I guess even what if now you also in a 1 million. Now you say 1 million. One without a music video. I guess now you without a music video. And I don't know what to say. They will say we are hating on it. Because of, I saw someone was saying because of I said, yo, what if you need a music video? I'm hating on what if. I'm like, bro, I'm hating. What do you mean I'm hating? How can I hate on the hits, bro? Like, I always listen to that song like literally every day. So how can I hate on it? Remember, how can I hate on it? Remember, there's no way I hate a song. We never hate more. If a song is a hit, it's a hit. But we're stating the fact that a song, if in number 1, it has to have a music video. Remember? And when we're thinking about talking about music, bro, I guess when it comes to release an NBA boy, they are fighting for the number 1 song. Come on. I guess if NBA boy did it again, bro, so that boy wants another number 1 on Billboard hip hop to do it when he is currently in jail to have the number 1 year old, so number 1 album on the Billboard. Because of there were 3 of them. It was Tupac who has done it. It was Lil Wayne who has done it. Then it was Zim who has done it. I guess it's literally want to do it again. I guess it's just that even Tory Lanez can do it. Just that we don't know which song will be selling the best when it comes to Tory Lanez or NBA. The ones only opinion the sellers and man that if it sells too much, it will go number 1. You don't know, bro. Which one but will go number 1 then? But because of it's currently doing some most, bro. Like, we don't know which one will sell number 1. I will just have to see which one. But I guess what they are like this. This week, I guess this week will be cool because of won't be focusing on that fucking GNX album, that work rapper Kendrick Lamar. Let's have to see. Yeah. Yes, this side we're Team Drake. We don't fuck with Kendrick Lamar. Kendrick Lamar Louis is wasn't there. But Team Drake, we don't give a fuck about Kendrick Lamar. I hate it. Yeah. Like that guy. I don't know, bro. Like I don't know people who fucking like Kendrick Lamar what they see in him, bro. Anyway, but I hate that guy, bro. I hate his music. I hate even his music, bro. Like, and the guy, it's like I started hating him. No, like, it's been long hating. I don't even since he's releasing your humble. I've never even listened to those songs. Kendrick Lamar, I hate that guy, bro. Like, and when he does that thing, when it comes to Drake standing there, even those type of people were there doing that, and it's like They're just hating this guy. They are just hating on our bird, crazy, 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 crazy. What's happening in university organization no one Canada? I guess we'll invent this year. Babu Garu, Babu Garu September, Bang Bungaru. You'll invent this year, Babu September, Bang will be. Ah, millions, you know what I mean? Ah, I can't remember the way. When about this one, the one is a man. But the one is, but the one is a blind, and then in the corner. The one I'm trying to, you know, I learned the one I'm trying to blind. Nane ndakatozvibona ngayo nora zvitova ngayo handani ndakatozvibona ngayo inovenda vatana matrada this year mutongwana hazvingaluki ngori kutozvibona uchezvino mara matrada unotoka unovana unozingozindwa inji anze zviri kururana vanegigile yafreshers avo vaisana dzindwa ichima blind havazoditsora havazoditsoresta mara ndizvoroita vitule havana harwa apedza apo udhara hazviperi zvavudi hazviperi navaravana ndivakandivadzimistene kuti sei munhu votogimisa mabhanga ari kufamba ngavana vanenge vari kaya kutamwe ivi avachajona chikoro ndifamba ngavana vachikoro vana vachikoro vane vototi hangaifomu mukana kufara bhanga vogimisa vofara mabhanga tori kutomanga ava vanofara mabhanga taiziva kundimi like taizondimi like what is the problem like kutozovusa problem ndimini neyava kutoitisa vathu vavizokutoita zvizvizvokutogimisa mabhanga like mabhanga atasine stage yangu mara vatozvona lazima chingavomndiyo lazima chingomndiyo mara vatozvona kamurauri hai kubunisana kufara mabhanga sone hazvitusi chitu hazvitusi hazvivi zvatusa taizo iva naiko nchiva yazijere andivavonondranga pandoni taizo ichivo yazijerenge amwa nongitongarira ni mukunzi mudzi chiva yazijerenge ndovona nokundoitami kangwana ndondivona hai vathu havapfyoma vathu kutobhala vathu kana vobhalesa rachitu line. Yes, UEFA. I'm happy that Liverpool is out. Yeah, I'm so happy that Liverpool is out. I'm happy that Liverpool is out. Yeah. We've been losing the UEFA. What? We've been losing. We are number one. Oh, out. UEFA. Cut you Liverpool. But you're not man. So cute. This is the Liverpool. Because they never brand anything by Liverpool. They are calling me the people bad. Liverpool waiters muzuzuma. Emuna abeka ku stage sangalala kudiya Liverpool. So, tona kutimunyana mbo. Kutimunyana mbo. Kutimunyana mbo. Kutimunyana mbo. Kutimunyana mbo. Kutimunyana mbo. Alibudiya Liverpool was that. Very Liverpool is doing guys doing the thing. We're always scared of Liverpool. We're all scared of the Liverpool. I think Liverpool is that team. It's gonna win this thing. What? Shit. I'm gonna play Liverpool. Stop. Pop. The penalty. I made tears. The penalty. I made Diablo Liverpool wages. Man, I got the feel of blinding and the guy. You are feeling. I thought it was two sides. Also get you Barcelona. Look at that. Barcelona. What I feel, yummy. Stand up your mouth. Oh, get him, man. Yeah. Other than Liverpool, Liverpool wish you, mom. And I guess, we look at home fair. Let's tradition again, my guys, go to home fair. Even I'm true. If you mean, any. Please, I was so far you win. Maybe it will go. It's gonna lose. On the run of what to do Liverpool now. Liverpool will do. I don't know if you mean. Shinara does not love him to me. It's gonna lose. You're not Liverpool, but PSG. Shinara does not PSG. It's gonna lose. zvinoratidza kuti chikozosvika chifhinga chine yathoma ubaidza is either on the semi-final or on the quarter final. Zvinoratidza kuti Liverpool mavana vacho zvazvatasvibiswa Liverpool iyo PSG it will never win UEFA. Ndisokutamba yasvika kadzifinal kandikei yasvika neyakusvika hall maybe rakona ungari thamwe itochiya ingazivi unasimudza nga Real Madrid and I think it refuse Real Madrid or it refuse Barcelona ingasibuye iqoqa khandikhala ezidozuri na chance ukuthi ngomani ezidozuri ndiri nebumani ngomani ayezidozuri ari turiko chance resitimukhulana ngomani resitimukhulana yani ari so ambro resitimukhulana ezidozuri we are the biggest team ngomani I guess na stadium na Cape Nou achitopera ngabe ukutopfirwa kutotamba Cape Nou again ngomani yeah ezidozuri vadoda hayani one Cape Nou vasaviwi ezvidiyo ayo yaritira madhembe ekurdeko 4-1 ari 5-1 ngomani yazvidiva yazvidiva haitozidiva tozidiva zvipesa haitozidiva zvipesa rari chance when it comes to udia basi Real Madrid ndiyo timu yatozidiva shem ndiyatambozva ndiva ndikudiwa vachatou badi ngomani and that's vathu vamamuna vathu like vathu vhenda ne chinara chivanga vhenda ne vathu vatikeza udhabhadhabha uyada ezvi zvavo mekusvakinavo rendi ne zvotiwa nimovatikeza vathu ne and you are giving people vane nitozviponzvira vathu vamuna like vana vava vakuguda mini kavara vathu ngomani literally vana vakuguda mini kavara vathu ngomani vastraight zvine vana vakuguda mini vane ndingazizi business here ndikapesesa business ingaita business navo yes because zvidozviattracta vathu mara vana vechikoro nanohomidhima vakuvasimbedza support nditoseno evana vacho ivana vacho ava vathu vanyogambura yasvizi vazvitikeza blind ndizvine zvavasikotikiziva ngomwana like zvine zvavasikotikiziva achari mabasa rina ngomwana ari tamangana zvazvine zvadibusori nanazvezvo zvavavavusori zvidopelera gani asina saife zvidopelerafi andikutemika one man show ile Rootkid because of aishabe yapostiwa ngomwana I guess this una zvimwe zvine zvikuita between Listen na Rootkid zvine kuzvibona naso zvine zvikuita kuzvibona ngomwana andrene ndakatobona ngayo una zvikuita I guess Rootkid is not about that thing that show because arituvera mbona arituvera Rootkid opostela one man show so why Rootkid now posta square poster one man show yabo ngomwana why I guess akho approve because kuzvibona zvoranga sifila ngomwana asikuzvibona literally na zvino mgosi atovisa kana kutoita show ati kutoita show yawanti akoze the artist already have one man one woman kuita yava one man yakuma akudamu muntu kodaya nantri ndibona ari kutibonisa ndabona zvirikutotame mara akasitamwe ndoshuma ngomwana sitamwe ndoshuma mara letiboni uri kutodhara I don't see tuchidodhara that's how we feel nekandiyanira kuzvibona ngayo I don't see tuchidodhara kandiyanira ngayo ngomwana mara aina mune I guess angoita bad investment I guess tangoonye kuuya game inyana tangoasikuzamuzama mupusha maybe kudava nouleya nyana tango pusha zvavudi haita ngomwana mara ngandinenda kuona ngaya the show is about to fail and it's about to fail dramatically ngomwana idofela ngandinende zitosisa atatotorimeni Zvoita ndi shangoni zwithu zvaifhira zvoṱhe zwine wa investa khazwo zwoita mini zwa phasa. Sure, and if huna zwiṅwe zwine nda ḓi vhudzisa zwone, why won't you make dzhia u khou ita khou amba about podcast and chin network? Mara tshine nda ḓi vhudzisa tshone tsho uri why munhu anga songo mention kha heiḽa post? But literally she's still there. I guess zwiḽa zwithu zwe a zwi ita mudaka. I guess ndi zwo mu vhaisa. I guess u tou zwi vhona uri hai this one ungari a ri munyangi kha team yashu. That she's too branded. We don't need those type of things. Yeah, one. A ri dzi nyangi vhathu vhane vha vha na dzi brand so vhane vha khou amba uri vha too branded, vha too this. One. This man ḓo vhona uri zwi ḓo itea mini. Zwivha zwithu zwine ra ḓo ri dzi consideration says ri vhona just but I don't think o tou zwa muhangu. Ndi nga si ri tou hangwa. O tou zwi tou nga khole. One. Ndi khole hezwiḽa a ḓo ndi khole o tou litshiya a si a ḽiwi a si ambiwe naye. A tou litshiya khombani. A ri ḓo ḓi vhona zwo ri ḓo itea mini. Zwithu zwine zwa ḓo itea. Mara ṱhaṅwe hu ḓo vha ho tou hangiwa. A ri ḓivhi. Mara hai don't think o tou hangiwa hafhaḽa. O ḓo vha o tou litshiwa life of me. Hafhanoni u too branded nga maanḓa. So we just have to uri ri tou mu litsha ri ḓo vhona zwo ri ḓo itea mini ene muṋe. Ṅwana ri ḓo vhona zwo ri hu ḓo itea mini. A ri tende ligi yo bva ya PSL Sundown yo wina. A ri tende zwezwo. A hu tshena zwiṅwe zwine ra nga ṱwa ri tshi khou amba. U tshaili. No one. Ligi yo bva ya Sundown yo ita mini? Yo dzhia league. Ndi zwine nṋe nda vhona ngazwo. Pirates, the problem is that it does not have a striker. Ṅwana. They don't have a striker. Mashupa is not a striker. Maswangani, sometimes they put him on the bench. And Maswangani, how to dzhenisiwa. Ṅwana. There's certain people in there a vho ngo tea u mu vhea kha bench. Ṅwana. Na vhathu vha certain vhane hai a ngo tea u vheiwa kha bench. Ṅwana. But a sokou vheiwa na wana zwo si tsha tshimbila zwavhuḓi. A ri ḓi vhona zwo ri ḓo itea mini mara hai. Zwiṅwe zwithu zwine ndi a ḓi vhudzisa uri vha tshi tou vhea Maswangani kha bench, what is the coach thinking? But anyway, it's your boy LBK representing Africa. You know what it is. Amale, yeah. Boom!